Mygovanen, welcome dwarves, elves, men, and hobbits of Middle-earth. I have here today a Saruman figure made by ToyBiz. This is from the Fellowship of the Ring. You can see that this one comes with a pedestal with the palantir on top. So there's a lever on the back. When you press it down, it raises his staff hand in the air. Supposedly, the palantir floats on the pedestal. You can also stick it in his hand there as well. I bought this one off of eBay for around $25. eBay is definitely the best place to buy the Lord of the Rings ToyBiz figures. You can find most of them brand new for under $30. And here he is. I'm actually surprised with this character. Not all of the ToyBiz figures look exactly like the figures from the movies, but I think they did a pretty good job with his face. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. It's pretty cool. They even painted the strings coming from his belt as well. And here is his staff. And here is the palantir. This is made of plastic with a magnet inside it. And here is the pedestal for the palantir. I think they did a pretty good job at painting this as well. So you should be able to stick this on top. It should. There we go. It's floating. Pretty cool. And here he is with his staff. So you should be able to press this button down. Yeah, there we go. It's actually pretty cool. That's another thing that I like about these ToyBiz figures is that they all have, or at least most of them have, some sort of little action that they can do. You can also stick this in his hand. There we go. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you are not, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. Thank you, my friends, and I will see you in the next one.